Okay, we've parked the car. We made it through this overgrown road. We're at the trailhead, so we're gonna head up to Little Douglas Lake. I believe it's like a 1.5 or 2 kilometer hike. Bad thing, we had a lot of rain last couple days. Nice thing is they lifted the fire ban, so we can actually have a real fire, which we are all excited about, right?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Sights to see, rolling hills or city streets, ocean to ocean and all in between. It's out there just waiting on you and me. Take it in, we got no plans. Good things come to those who can. Live moment to moment and all in between. It's out there just waiting on you and me.
We've made it. Haven't seen the lake yet, but there's a bear cache. There's a sign to say we made it. The toilet, which is awesome. Let's go have a look at the lake. Our tent pad. There's a couple in the woods, closer to the bathroom and the bear cache, but fire pit here, and we're gonna snake this one. So it's time to set up the tent, get everything ready for the rest of the day so we can have some fun out here.
Hoping for a sincere performance, but open to finding the moment, to finding out where I'm headed now. Looking for a sign of disaster, so I can make it there faster. I'm weighing the consequences out. I can see in all directions. It's all open to interpretation, but I see colors that are breaking from the other side, the other side. When I make mountains out of summer trails, when I buckle under all the details, I'll keep going till I make it to the other side, the other side.
All set up. It's a nice little patch there. Ruby put a hole in there last time. But yeah, we're good. Now we can play. Gravity filter's full of water, hanging up. Hose dripping down. Filling up a pot, and it's working.
We're hanging out here on the logs, and Hannah has discovered a frog.
I think it's time to go swimming. Who's jumping in? Who's jumping in again? I haven't jumped in yet. I'll jump in.
How's the water, Josh?
Cold.
Alpine Lake, glacier fed?
It's refreshing. Okay, so the goal right now, because this is kind of full of sticks, and I see some fish poking their heads up, biting out there. I need to find somewhere to fish. So we're gonna head over to all these rocks over here. It might be deeper, and it looks like there's a little beach right about here. So we're gonna go check that out. Might be a better area to fish, but it might just be a better area to swim as well. Just found a dead squirrel floating in the lake. Poor little guy. I'm gonna show him, so if you don't like seeing a dead little squirrel, look away. Nature can be cruel. Look what we found. Beautiful little beach all to ourselves. And I don't see any sticks in the water. Okay, been fishing for a bit now, probably just over an hour. And I think I need to try Oliver's rod. I didn't bring it on this little walk because I'm gonna be able to put a little bit of weight on it and get it further out. The wind is blowing right at me, so my fly, I can get it out there, but not far enough. But for now, we're gonna walk up some rocks. That big rock they're on, that's the goal. Off the rocks. Time to go back to camp. I haven't collected any firewood for tonight. We do want to have a fire, so I got to get that done. And hopefully go fishing again tomorrow with Oliver. Bring his rod out as well. We can go fishing together. That'd be awesome. Okay, back at camp. Time to get some firewood. Okay, the sun's actually going down behind the mountain. We've got a little bit of daylight left before we're in the shade, but of course the sun will be shining on that mountain for a little while, but we gotta go cook some dinner. Okay, well, we thought we stashed food in the bear cache. Krista, what was in the bear cache?
My clothes.
Oh, your clothes. Yay. Nice. So all the food is left out while we were hiking. But at least her clothes were safe. On the menu, dehydrated chili. Starting to bubble. So we're rehydrating the chili. If you're actually curious about our recipe or anything like that, I'll include a link in the description. My previous video was getting prepped for this hike, and Carissa made the chili. She goes through the recipe and everything like that. We're gonna eat it soon, and I'll let you know if it tastes good as well. Boiling some water, that's gonna be for coffee. Don't mind the mess, this is just all of our lightweight like pots and pans and plates and cups. But good old reminder to always clean up the mess you leave in the woods. Leave nothing behind, right? Burn myself. It's good coffee. Nice and black. Everyone's first taste of the chili.
Yeah.
Tastes like chili. It's really good.
Yum.
Yum? Good? Okay, so we've eaten dinner, washed the dishes, saw a deer, put all the food back in the bear cache, heading back to camp. We're just gonna have a fire and call it a night. So, but I'm almost out of the trees here. This last little rays of sunshine are on the mountain right now. We have fire.
There's a little bit of sun.
Last sliver of sun. Soon it'll be getting dark.
No
The fire's going out. And it's got no arms. And Ruby decided to lean up against the fire pit and singe.
And
Oh,
it smells.
And it sinks. Okay, the sun is gone. I'm just waiting for the stars to come. We've maybe got about 30 minutes of light left here, but I can't see any sun anymore. It's going to be getting bedtime pretty soon, but I want to stay up for the stars. There's going to be no light pollution here, so I think it would be awesome to just see the sky at night in all its glory, but we'll see. I'm getting pretty tired too. It's a long day. We're going to bed. I don't know if that you can see that on the camera or not. Oh, at least we're hoping we're going to bed. Some of us are laughing a lot. Night night. See you in the morning. Good morning. How did everyone sleep last night?
Good. Pillow kept slipping away.
Pillow kept slipping away. Oliver, how'd you sleep?
Ruby, don't
Good.
eat my bathing suit.
How'd you sleep?
It was cramped quarters, but it was cozy.
It didn't get as cold as we thought, so it's good. It's nice. Let's go to breakfast. All right, we're starting to cook breakfast. We got water boiling for coffees and porridge, I believe. Dehydrated strawberries. Dehydrated, those look like raspberries, blueberries. Dehydrated blueberries. Bananas. Here's our porridge. Yum, yum, yum. Dried fruit is in the pot. Here's your spoon. How's it taste?
Good.
Good. Okay, off we go. Oliver's rod and reel is ready to go. Got a lure on it. We're gonna go find a good spot, and Oliver's gonna cast. Oh, that one didn't go very far. Reel it in, try again. There we go, reel it in. Nice cast. There you go. Now you just gotta change where your release point is and you'll get it further. Nice. This one chasing it. Okay, so we've had a few nibbles. One fish bit it pretty hard, but he got off right away, didn't even get on. Comes Oliver's next cast. Just a good cast. Biggest fish I've seen so far is maybe about 6 inches, so we just want to get something into shore here. Got one. Bringing him in. Look at that. Oh, he's feisty. He's feisty. He does not like shallow water. Oh. Come here, buddy. Come here. You got him on camera?
Yep.
Look at that. Nice little trout.
Calm, because if
Okay.
you do...
Filming him? There he goes. Move your hands, Ollie. Okay, I was just packing up. Almost ready to go, but Carissa left to go make lunch. So we are gonna go see what she was making. I think it's gonna be good. And then we're gonna be out of here. So we'll say one last goodbye to our spot, make sure we didn't leave anything behind. Ramen noodles and dehydrated beef stroganoff. Can't wait till this is ready. Let's see what the finished product looks like. Good? Mm-hmm. All right. Find your backpack. Leave the firewood for the next person. Double check your campsite, make sure you didn't leave any garbage or any belongings behind, but we're good. We're on our way. So on our last hike, I turned the camera over to Hannah for the hike down, so you guys got an insight into an 8-year-old's mind. I'm gonna turn the camera over to Oliver, and you'll get some insight into a 4-year-old's mind, so.
There's a feather on the ground that you might not see, but Mom has never seen a type like it before. I don't know what this thing is, but it's pretty amazing. There are all berries on this trail, red berries, and some other colored berries too. Mom is riding a toy horse. I hope she has fun. There are also mushrooms and funguses on this trail. These are some mushrooms. This mushroom is growing. I like the color of it.
We made it! We're alive! Well, we're out of the woods, back onto concrete. A quick stop at the rest stop here at Britton Creek because there is a food truck. And we were able to get ice cream bars, drumsticks,
Coffee.
and coffee. Now it's just a quick drive home, so thank you for coming along on this adventure with us. It's been awesome. It's been really, really fun. I hope you had as much fun as us. Till next time.